University also. Actually, this was the campus of Guwahati University earlier.
Yeah.
From 2000.
Please explain to me. Yeah, explain again.
From 2009, it was the university.
This is the statue of Bodo, Upendranath Brahmaji.
Father of Bodos. So we have a total of 17 departments here.
In university.
Yeah, in this university. And affiliated colleges of this university.
This is the university guest house, na?
No, not guest house. This is the departments. Guest house is there, over there.
I am staying here before 3-4 months ago.
Acha.
When the Jathuma was conducted by the Rajuda.
Guest house is there.
There, na?
These are the departments here.
Yeah.
English and Assamese department.
This is.
Yeah.
Ground floor is English.
Yeah. And your good name is?
My name is Kokrajhar.
Japun sir.
I'm a student of history department.
History, na? Oh, I like history very much. Because I was also a student of not history, political science, but it's related to history, na?
This building name is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar building. And we have 3 departments in here. Social science is the side. Yeah. This one. History, pol science and economics.
So you will be walking and going to Delhi. Right.
Our,
What is the
yeah.
motive? Yeah.
what is our motive?
Yeah.
Just wait. Mama khaila, Arbi bhai. Mama light kahan ka chal gayi? Nisari check karenge. Light just wait. Yeah, okay. Light start kar de. Camera lai hai. So you are asking about our movement, na?
Yeah.
So actually, Tripura was a princely state, and it was ruled by 184 Tripura kings.
Yeah.
So we marched with India in 1914 in 15 October. So before the merger with India, but when the partition between India and Pakistan, at that time, so many Hindu Bengalis, because of that riot, Muslim between Muslim and Hindus. At that time, so many Hindu Bengalis, they come in Tripura, and slowly they changed the demography of the state, and within 20 to 30 years, we became minority in our own country, own state, and at that time our Tripura people, they are not too much educated, and they are not, they have no understanding the politics and the democracy, system of the democracy. So what happened? The power struggle and the political struggle that started after 1960s, 70s between the Bengalis and the local Tripuris. So at that time, we compelled to demand 6th schedule, like the DPC. So, and Tripura is not under the state of Assam, but that all the which states, which regions are under the Assam, they have right to demand the 6th schedule. But Tripura have no right, because it's not under the state of Assam, it's under the, it is under the Bengal at that time. So we compelled to demand the 6th schedule in our own state to preserve our land and property rights. So after that, finally in 1984, the Prime Minister, she passed the law to form the 6th schedule under the state. So we get the proposal of the Council in vaccinated and it's continuing. But of the Kerala, our people, they have so many books after getting to DPC. But practically, EPID is not sufficient to save, to give the safeguard to our people. And EPIDC has, they don't have so many powers. They have compulsory duties, like that land powers. They don't have a land power. I want to provide this land, the land rights and forest. I want to give the part-time. And they don't have the taxation powers. GST, the GST, CGST, ex-GST and taxes, all are controlled by the state government and the central government. So we don't get any taxes. And so many powers, what we need, get about included in this. And even education power. Today, the situation is like that. So Bodo people, they get their language is now included in HCD, but in their language. So in our Tripura, we are not familiar.
Abang ke ini khas है के बर्मा रूमी निवासी और चित्रा है चित्रा तो एक सूरज के बर्मा
सिंगर है ना रूमी
हाँ हम सिंगर
मेरा वर्क आदमी है।
हाँ वो सिंगर वो
रूमी मोरासी रॉकी का बहन
हम की मुरासी का बहन था अच्छा अच्छा सब में बुलाया था मुझे
बात करेंगे अभी।